4 drivers, 3 days, 1 infamous vehicle, the Pontiac Aztek.
The most wretched design of all time.
Never driven an Aztek, never actually had a desire to drive an Aztek, but here we are.
It's majestic.
No, I have no idea what's going on whatsoever. I don't even know where I am.
Join O'Reilly Auto Parts at the Tucson Dragway for the first ever Aztek 200. A race whose obstacles, drag racing, and off-roading all center around each of our drivers' abilities to soup up their very own Aztek and get it across the finish line before the competition. Our drivers, Tony Angelo of Stay Tuned, Derek Beery of Vice Grip Garage, Tate Morgan of the Gambler 500, and Alex Taylor of Hot Rod Garage all have their own specific set of skills they'll be putting to the test. With an epic course, twists,
What is this?
challenges,
Well, for Pete's sake.
and performance modifications, the Aztek 200 is a race for the ages.